Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and today is Saturday, day off ko kaya nandito kami sa aming tiny house. Colony yung tawag nila dito sa Denmark. Tapos magbe-breakfast kami guys. It's our actually first breakfast dito sa Colony this year, this summer. So ito yung pakita ko sa inyo yung mga typical na Danish breakfast. Mga ano lang guys, mga panpan, bread. Ito lang yung mga breakfast nila. Yan, butter, may liver, spread, juice there. Tapos, very thin choco drink. Very thin choco na ilalagay siya sa bread. And then may, what is it in English, this one?
Salami.
Salami di ay. So, salami.
What is it in Danish? Salami.
But read it.
Fabulous.
So, anyway, that one, I got my coffee here. Tapos, yan yung bread niya. Hindi ko yan masyadong gusto kasi parang hard ba. Ito sa akin, guys. Mas gusto ko yung mga soft na bread. So, croissant sa akin. Tapos, ito. Ito naman yung Danish, guys. Yan. Yumsy. Oh, ito yung yumsy. Ito. Wala. Tao lang.
Tao lang.
Kain tayo. What's your plan for those?
One with the draw, gonna be underneath that. The other one I don't know. Maybe just here. I got no clues. Maybe for shoes outside.
A cup of coffee in the morning, and I get the paper. I check the headlines and decide that I am bored. I check my email and I decide to answer later. Another cup of coffee and I drag myself to work. My life is
It was nice in the morning, but we came up in the day. Almost 11, isn't it? It's 11 over 1.
What's the goal for today?
Shouldn't you just enjoy your breakfast before I give you all the goals?
Yun ay go hungry. The bedroom should be clean, right? Empty, clean.
There can be something in the corner we cannot get rid of right now.
What is it?
I don't know what it is yet, but there can be something in the corner. So you gotta put the bed, have to be super clean. I like to shoot all this list. Maybe I gotta go buy something. I don't know. I don't get enough list. I like to shoot them up so it's really done in the bedroom. Right, meaning all the flooring and all the paper on the floor and all that gotta go. After we're done with that, I will think we should start cleaning up behind there. All those boxes, we put that underneath from the behind. And basically have a general clean up all small roots and all that.
You know, when you have not been drinking water for so long and suddenly you drink water, you just realize like water is great.
Can you miss what you never have known? And can you cover your home.
Yeah?
Cow is laying up. Just put it over.
No, I'm not talking about the grill. I'm talking about the down of that, let's say, Asian kitchen. That one. That. There is like an open space in the down part. Are you gonna cover that up or not?
Yeah, we're gonna be firewood. I might have made some shelf and I fill it up with firewood for the grill.
Okay, nice. Because it looks so ugly just like that.
I know.
Who's all this thing here?
That is Sebastian's kid. Oh, but it's been Nicholas who's been
Playing that.
playing it. So
Nicholas is also smaller.
yeah, then I said to Ness, you went by my place? How do you know that? So, doesn't matter how I know it, but let's be truthful here. Did you went by my place? So you're like, yeah. I was in where Christina was here. She want to see you kids and all that. You up there? How the fuck do I know? Because he left the bike. He's been roaming around the kid.
If only knew how to take care of the garden, it would be so nice. Did you see? You have not seen Plymouth's garden, right? I'm telling you, once you look at the back of his house, it's so pretty, like in perfect, the grass, the form of the flowers. You know, he trimmed them, he trimmed them, so it will look like that.
Yeah.
Like everything is just perfect.
I told you there was apple inside.
What?
I told you there was apple inside.
Try it.
Oh, I tried it. I don't like it.
Just try it.
I tried it, but by mistake. That's
No,
what-
just buy. Just buy. Tastes like a Jollibee. Something.
That's actually okay. We really put our mind to it today, right? And tomorrow. Then we can get this shit cleaned up so it look nice. The trash that we need to trash, we put in the end of the garden and when it's come. So we just put a pile down in the end of the garden, so when he comes, we will take the trailer, we go away with it.